Are you looking? As the custom apparel industry booms, heat press machines have become essential tools for small businesses. Whether you're printing t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, the right machine can boost productivity and profit. This guide evaluates the best heat press machines for small business, focusing on key features like heat consistency, pressure control, ease of use, and overall value to help you list none. 16 by 24 inch heat press, 110V 2000 watts high pressure clamshell heat press machine. For businesses that handle high volume printing, this 16 by 24 inch high pressure clamshell heat press is a true powerhouse. With 2000 watts of power and a generous surface area, it can press larger garments and materials with consistent pressure and even heat distribution. The digital control panel makes it easy to set precise time and temperature, while the clamshell design saves space in small work areas. Ideal for bulk t-shirt or hoodie printing, this machine is well suited for professional use. Though it lacks auto-release, its reliability, power, and capacity make it one of the list number HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2, adjustable pressure and higher heating height. The HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2 is a smart, user-friendly solution, perfect for entrepreneurs and hobbyists alike. It features adjustable pressure and higher heating height, making it capable of pressing thicker items like sweatshirts or tote bags. With its fully automatic functionality, you can focus on alignment while the machine does the heavy lifting. It heats up quickly and maintains even temperatures across its 15 by 15 plate. Built with safety in mind, it includes auto shutoff and a dual handle structure for added convenience. This machine strikes a balance between advanced features and affordability, making it a top pick for growing businesses. List number HTV Ront Auto Heat Press Machine, 15 by 15 with auto release. Another standout from HTV Ront, this 15 by 15 auto heat press offers a smooth, efficient workflow thanks to its automatic pressure adjustment and auto release feature. Designed for beginners and small business owners, it takes the guesswork out of pressing with preset modes and simple controls. The fast heating element ensures quick turnaround, while the pressure is evenly distributed, avoiding overburned or underpressed materials. Whether you're doing short runs or customizing one-off pieces, this machine's compact design and consistent results make it a worthwhile investment. It's particularly great for t-shirt printing with professional. List number 5-in-1 heat press machine, 15 by 15 inch multifunction with slide-out design. This 5-in-1 multifunction heat press combines versatility and power, featuring attachments for mugs, hats, plates, and more. The 15 by 15 inch plate gives you ample space for garments, and the slide-out design ensures safe and easy placement. With digital controls for time and temperature and even heat distribution, it's suitable for diverse customization needs. If your small business serves multiple product lines, this machine helps expand your offerings without investing in separate devices. Though slightly bulkier, its multifunctionality and solid build make it an excellent value option for entrepreneurial crafters and t-shirt printers. List number 5 Heat Press Machine, 12 by 15 inch, 5-in-1 with 30 OZ tumbler press. Perfect for small businesses wanting to offer custom tumblers. This 12 by 15 inch heat press includes a 30 OZ tumbler attachment, a feature rarely found at this price point. It's a 5-in-1 system that also accommodates hats, mugs, and plates, giving you tons of creative freedom. With an intuitive control panel, even heat, and adjustable pressure, it handles various materials without compromising quality. Though it has a slightly smaller pressing surface than others on this list, its versatility and tumbler capability make it ideal for Etsy sellers, startup apparel shops, or craft-based side hustles looking to stand out.